over here in Connecticut with my newfound friend from Colombia, Gustavo. Muy bien, amigo. This is a beautiful day. I'm glad I met him. And we're going to sing. Let me sing my song now. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. I said don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. I got up this morning to the rising sun. 3 little birds on my doorsteps, singing sweet songs about you and me. This is my message to you. I said don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Selassie, Rastafari. Thanks, bro.
See you, my friend.
Yes,
Thanks, Robert. Nice to Marley.